how to wash bed sheets by hand. Can you hand wash bed sheets? What is the best way to clean sheets? Is there a special way to wash sheets? Can I do my laundry by hand? Well, if these are your questions, I will show you how to wash bed sheets by hand in this video, and let's start right now. To wash your bed sheets by hand, first we're gonna add water to our tub or tote or bucket. So I'm adding water. The second thing you want to do is add your detergent. So I'm going to add a detergent, and I'm using Oxy, and this is stain lifter. It's really good on your sheets. It smells good as well, so I use this to wash my sheets. And once we soak this, we put this soap in the water. We soak our sheets in here. I put the sheets in first. That's the, and then the cover. Then I add the pillowcases, and we just add more water. And just make sure this is all soaked in good, and leave it for 30 minutes. And then we'll start washing these. So after we've soaked our bed sheet for 30 minutes, it is time to start washing. And so I start with the pillowcase first and wash those. Just give them a good clean. If I need more soap, you can add more soap. After this, we squeeze this out. We start on the second one with the pillowcase. And then we'll just rinse this out as well. When it comes to the sheet, try to find the edge. So go around, find the edge. Once you find the edge, all the way around. Okay, now we get to the end of the edge. Then I went this way to make it easy. And then I follow that. Like that. And then you just keep moving towards where the other end is, and then washing. And then once you get to the other end, then you just wash like that. You get to the other end, then you move along, and then you move to the other end like this. Can see, and then makes it easy. You have it in line, and then we get to the next one, and then you just move along to the other one, squeezing, rubbing in between your palm, like that, like that. So like this, you wash it, rub it around your palm, and then we get to the next end. This way, see how easy it is? Just easily. Then move to the next one. Just one step, second step, two steps, like that. So you get to the last end, you move to the next one, then you just move along. Like that. And then once you are done, you're going to raise this up. You're going to fold it in two. And then we'll start squeezing the water out. Like that. Then now we get to the end, and that is done. That's not too bad, is it? And then the cover, the same way. Find the edge of the cover, and then once you find it around, and that's it. And that'll be your line, and you just take it from there. As you can see, it just follows along like that, and then we just start washing. Follow the line, and you just rub it like this in your hand. Like that. Now that is done, I just take this out of the water, and you can see how filtered this is. Just get another water and bring this out. So fold it in half, and then just squeeze the water out. Like this. See how? That's a little trick I use, like that. Turn it around like in a circle, and then it just rubs. You just go around. And we are done. So we change our water. We have a new water. I'm gonna soak this in again. And this time I just want to add just a little drop of, that's it. Just a little drop of soap. I'm gonna give you a rough wash. Alright, I'm gonna add more water. So we start washing again. Give it a rough wash. That is done. Now you can see our water is clearer than the first time. When it comes to the sheet, you still fold it in two from our first wash, so you still have it. So all you have to do is just follow that line again and just wash it. Like that. And it should be easy. Just follow that line. Follow that line. And then you come to the end of the line, so that makes it washing your sheets very easy. Just follow it back and forth. Back and forth. Just like that, and it's so easy to go around. And we are done. I'm just gonna fold it in half again. And then we just push it out. And I just write it, turn it like this. If you do, and then it's easy for you to squeeze it out. Like that. Like that. And you just fold around each other and make it easy in your palm to squeeze the water out. I'm going to start on the last one, the fitted sheet. And then the fitted sheet also, you still have the line, so just follow the line. And that is done. Fold it in two again, and then squeeze the water out. I just do this. That way, it makes it around. Do that. Then I get another bunch like this. And then it just goes, wrap it around like that, and then it's easy for me to fit in your hand, and then you just squeeze it out. That's it. Then we just rinse now. Time to rinse our sheet, which we wash by hand. Hand washing your sheet is not hard at all. So if you know a little tricks to it, just show you wrapping it around and also washing it line by line as you go. It helps a lot. You're gonna add more water. Add a lot of water. I'm rinsing. And now I just start rinsing. And what I do is I take the inside out before I dry them. So like that, you see how the water is much clearer than before. And that's it. We are ready. It's done. Then I take the inside out. Then I use this. That is done as well. And then the sheet itself, the easy way you can do this is just hold the edges, like I showed you, just the edges all around. We have it right here, and then dip it in the water and then raise it up like that, and that's it. Then you just squeeze your water out. So we don't have a soap scum or anything. The water is much clearer. So there's no soap in here. Everything is washed out. Like I show you, just wrap it around like this, turn it in a circle, and it works easy that way. Like that. Like this. Just wrapping around, and then it will fit in your palm, and then you just squeeze the water out. And then the sheet, the same way. And that's it. Now we just wrap it around in circle like that, and then just squeeze the water out. Squeeze the water out, wrap it around in circle. Because I'm righty, that's why if you are lefty, you can do it this way, and then it will also wrap around. But since I'm a right person, you do it this way, and then it's easy. Alright, and that is done. I'll just show you how to wash your bed sheets by hand and all the little tricks to it. So now it's time to dry them, and I'm going to show you how to dry your sheets and the best way to dry your sheets so they can dry faster and quickly for you. And let me show you that right now. Alright, so before you start, make sure you wipe down the line. Wipe down the line, make sure it's all clean while you can see the stain. So once that is wiped down, grab your spot and let's move the sheet. You just go around do the left. Use the thumb, stretch it out. That is time. And just put water. Get the edges. Hello friends, so I just show you how to wash your bed sheets by hand or how to wash your sheets by hand. The process is very simple. If you haven't done it before, it looks like it's a hard work. It's not. Just as I showed you in the video, when you soak your sheet, make sure you fold it by the width and then follow that length to wash it. It makes it easier that you do the same thing with the fitted sheet also, and it makes it easy for you to wash. And once you wash it, air dry them, because you save a lot on your electric bill. So air dry them outside just as I showed you, and it will dry so quickly for you, and it will be fresh as well. If you want to know how to wash jeans by hand, watch the next video. Subscribe to this channel so I can make more videos like this. My name is Florence at florencestraka.com. Homemaking made simple for modern women. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Take care. Bye.